Same. Into my heart you came and lit it aflame. My heart have been nothing but cold when love my life you showed to have and to hold.
The mouth.
Oh, you're supposed to eat spaghetti. Oh, there's a hole in the mouth. Oh, hell no.
You guys ready, animal? And this animal is making sound. Okay, open your mouth. Say what kind of vegetables. Oh, that's just
It's coming.
You start that. Yes.
Read this one. What do you think it is?
Look at this.
Hey, go see it.
You're eating sandwich. Olivia.
Take one bite. You have to eat all of it. Give it to me. You have to give it. Whisper to me. Whisper to me. What do you think?
Give one for him. Give him one for me. Okay, go feed over there. Go feed to the cat. Like it or not, eat it.
You know what it is? I already know. I don't want it. Someone take it. I don't want it. Someone go. Please. All right. Meow.
Alright guys, first off I just want to, say I'm forever grateful that everybody decided want to take their time of day to help us enjoy today's, our special day today. It's honestly, like I said, it's a love-felt moment, so this is unexpected for me, for we, but like I said, I'm very grateful that you guys are here to enjoy it with us. So. Side. Turn it to the side.
You happy, Amir?
Actually, it's even. It's even.
Yeah, I know.
It's even because you got 3 brothers now, and then you got 3 sisters.
Why is that not? There it is. Cute. When I was born, I was upside down. Congratulations, Ian.
It makes sense now, right?
Congratulations!
I'm so happy for you, girl. I'm so happy for you guys. Congratulations, you're gonna have a baby brother. Are you happy? Are you happy? Autumn, are you happy, Autumn?
We'll see how things turn out.
Now, what's his name? Jaden, you happy?
No, I don't want it.
Hey, you happy?
Thank you.
You're gonna have a little brother.
You can play it, but you can't do
Stay late, you got good stuff. You come back here, you can still log your
You weren't meant to eat brisket. That's
I'm good with this.
Everybody just like grab it already.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Noah. Happy birthday to you.
All right, give me mommy.
man.
Happy birthday. I don't have enough. Thank you. Look, take one of your
Hi. Happy birthday.
I didn't tell nobody, so it's... I didn't tell nobody.
It's so cute.
Almost like you and me.
Me and Adam.
Now you're so skinny, that thing's gonna fit you right now.
Yeah, baby. Note 2. Oh my God. They got Adrian.
It says home is wherever I'm with you. Love me. Oh, this is so cute. Iron Man. Iron Man.
Who thought of this idea?
Yeah. But we picked out the present. That's so cute. That's the cutest. I just love it. Okay, Dad comes Lucy does that. I know. I'm just guessing now. You shouldn't have said it out loud. You shouldn't have said it out loud. I'm sorry.
I think it's shiny right here. It looks like you're saying it.
Okay, dance, baby, dance.
Hurry. Let me know.
Lord.
You already did that. You already did that.
Alright, Devin, now it's time. onesies. No, we have pink and is type of diaper. And diaper. Lily. Alright, thank you, Lily. Who is it? Oh yeah, thank you, Lily. Sandal. Oh yeah, it is a basket. Formula. What are these?
I think that's my mom's.
Oh, is it?
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
forgot to put it out. Oh, okay.
Yeah. She was on.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're gonna need one of these.
Look what I got.
Oh, yeah. For baby wipes. And then pack of just these formula. Diapers. Yeah. Ooh, formulas. I know, I love it.
That's gold.
You guys didn't take it out?
Yes.
Come on.
Oh, keep it out. Got Shiny and Lisa.
Oh, shiny. And my seat.
Oh,